What's good, everybody? It's your boy DJ LaWalt, man. We checking in with another banger, man. As I was doing today, I was basically following up with you all on this monitor so you can see exactly what I'm seeing on the monitor, man. I gave a review last time with the LG and the MSI, but this is the LG 24-inch gaming monitor. Now, the thing is that I'm going to give you two demonstrations today. One on the way that it is on the MacBook. I had a MacBook right here. And now I also have the monitor. So let's get right into business. But before we get into that, let's start off by saying make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, man. Show your boy some love on this video. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I realize and I love about the monitor is that, you know, it's pretty fast, pretty quick. They have all the, as you can see, is moving really smooth. Most of the time with most gaming monitors, what happens is that you'll see like little black lines when you're scrolling down. But as far as with this monitor, I haven't been experiencing anything like that. So like if we try to go to, let's go to LG monitor and let's just see what happens when we go. And you can just look at it. You can see the depth of the video. It's pretty good. As you can see, the color, pretty good color, pretty good everything. The frame, I like that. Like I said, we're gonna get into the next video where we're gonna explain between the gaming and basically using it for a computer. So for a computer, I definitely say I like it. I have no issue with it. Let's see which one. It's a pretty good monitor to have. Like if they have them at Walmart, I'll make sure I put the link in the video in the description, so you can see exactly what I'm saying. Get out the way thing. But as you can see, like I said, I'm scrolling down. A pretty good monitor. The color depth is pretty good for it. But so far, so good, but this is not the monitor that I have. This is a 27-inch. I don't know why sometimes the thing go big like that. Sometimes it do, sometimes it don't. I don't be understanding that. But other than that, it's a pretty good monitor to have. They got they got the settings where you can go to the settings. That's my settings that I have for it at this moment. You know, you can switch over to one you would prefer. The adjustments, the FreeSync, everything, crosshair. The picture, you basically have to go into it where you can adjust the contrast, the brightness, and everything. The input in its general, basically have like the LED light where you can see under here, there's like a little red light. But other than that, man, it's a pretty good monitor to have. I definitely would say if I had to give a review, I would definitely say a 4.5 out of 5. Just knowing the difference that I have, the gaming monitor, and knowing that I have the MSI and the LG. But like I said, is that we basically focus on the LG today. So what we're going to do now, we're going to switch over to the gaming of it, and then we're going to go from there. So I'll be right back. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to where you see the gaming part. We just switched to the gaming part, man. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get a couple footage. What I've been playing lately is 2K21. I'm gonna go play a couple games on 2K21. We're gonna see is there any difference for us with the gameplay and everything. So once we check this out, once it's loaded up, we're gonna go get a couple games in, check the difference out, see what the gameplay be like, and we'll go from there. The game I have loaded up now. Just from looking at it so far, so smooth, I must admit. Let's get ready to go into my career mode and see what it be like, man, because they're gonna determine what I like about it, how fast it moves, all kind of things. But when it come down to the type of stuff, so it's loading up. And once it get finished loading, I guess we'll go to the park, get a couple games in, and go from there. Off the muscle, as you can see, man, it's dark on the game, man. I don't know why it's dark when it should be. Since I couldn't find nobody to play with on 2K21, this is gonna be the game to determine the frame per seconds and everything. Like I say, I don't have the PS4 Pro. I'm only using the PlayStation 4. I'm only using the regular one. So we're gonna let this load up. Once this information load up, then we'll go from there. Only thing I don't like about these monitors is that they don't have sound. I mean, which is about right, because monitors don't have sound. You have to have a desktop, so it's like output sound. But let's get some footage, man, and we're gonna go from there. See what it be like on this thing, on this gaming. So far, pretty smooth. I know I'm probably making y'all dizzy with the camera and everything. With the camera, basically recording everything off of my tripod. Trying to record and play at the same time. But other than that, man, I like what I'm seeing so far. They get a little gameplay and see what it be like. Pretty smooth. Yeah. All right, they get it. All right, let's see what we got. I don't like, what I don't like is I guess you can see like the background, like it's not clear. It's not giving me that full clear like it should be. It's like a little dingy or whatever. So I don't know why, but don't look right. But I mean, for a monitor about this amount, you can expect things like this. So game time. Okay. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I like what I see. I like to, before with that situation, somebody shooting. Goofy. Goofy walk. Don't be a goofy all your life. Trash. Anyway. Anyway, back to what I was saying is though. Pretty good frame per second. I mean, like I said, I'm not really getting the full thing. I like what I see. I really don't like the depth or the darkness in the background, though. I mean, we probably can change all of that. But pretty good monitor to have, pretty good review. You can change your setting to the way that you prefer. I definitely say try that and see what happens. But like I say, it's a good desktop computer, and it's an all right gaming monitor. So I said gaming computer, dumbass, goofy. But yes, it's a good desktop, like for you to use for your PC. It's a great desktop computer, but it's all right gaming monitor. Like I said, man, it's one of those things that the frame per second from when I was just playing the Division, when I was looking bad, I was looking trash. I would definitely say if it's something that you want to purchase for like $160, definitely something that you can get. But when you get a little bit more money, then get what you can get, man. Other than that, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, man. And it's your boy, DJ Lil Walt. DJ Lil Walt, turn up on them. And I'm out this.